arrived at Lempuyang temple. So we went up to the parking place. So now we started our way up to the temple, which is 1,100 meters above the sea level. It's a way easier going steps than, like, I don't know, climbing Agong. All these temples are always located on a highest point to be closer to the gods. When you go up the stairs, your brain cannot think about other things as only moving or making the steps. So that's why when you reach the temple, so then you're relaxed, you're ready for this meditation and talk to the god. So I came here to the first temple. It's not the first temple, the first one is with this gate to heaven. Another gate to the heaven. I remember when they were building this temple. I'm always excited to see all these old photos, and always been thinking how I would like to have to be at that time when it looked like this. I'm at the highest point. This is the highest temple from all 7, I think. Yeah, I think it's 7 temples around this hill, which belongs to this Lempuyang complex. Like, for example, Bisaki. It's a complex of so many temples, family temples. There is a one central one, and then around that is a lot of other temples. So here is the same thing. What I will do is I will give you a little bit the footage from like an aerial footage from this place. Ready? Okay, go. Let's go. So I've been here many times, and I think I'm living in Bali in a really unique time when you have this chance to see the places without so many people. Like, for example, if we're looking back at like 3 years when I just arrived in Bali. So I came to Lempuyang temple. There is this famous place, gate to heaven. And I just went there and I just took a photo as well. After that, like starting 2018, it became really popular place for the Instagram photos. And there was a long lines, like you got the numbers. So they started to give you a numbers, and then you have to stay in a line to take these photos, and it was so annoying. Well, now it's possible again, and there are no anyone. So it's really unique time. That's the helper. So going down again. So the plan is to go around all that and other temples. I just want to show how actually beautiful they are. Actually, I've been there a couple of times. Usually all the people just come up here and then they just go down to the gate to the heaven, and that's it. Here in Indonesia, all the porters are women. You will never see man carrying anything. Like you can see actually sometimes in some places where it's a little bit modern Indonesian style, so then you can see the man carrying, but it's actually because of the religion as well. It's not like just the man is lazy and the women are just working. No, it's not like that, because it's all based on religion. That's how it looks like. You know, I like these temples because they are closer to the nature. Like Bisaki is like so popular and it's so crowded. It's popular for tourists and it's popular for locals because it's a mother temple and of the island, I mean, and so that's why it's like a kind of, you're losing this connection to the nature. Yeah, jalan-jalan.
Jalan aja.
Yeah. Another beautiful place, so it was really nice to be back. So we did a full cycle, we saw all these temples which nobody really visit. So yeah, and this is a famous gate to the heaven for the Instagram. So that's actually where people just, there's like a different spots around the Bali where they take these photos. So, like, yeah, it looks really beautiful, but it's just more for the tourists. Easy to access. Take a motorbike, come up here, and just take a photo. That's it. So that was a report from Lempuyang temple. I think that's it for today. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.